Keith Fitz with us Monday morning. Same question that I've been asking you and a lot of other people for a long time. How do you invest in stocks? Why do you invest in stocks when you've got Ukraine, inflation and interest rates around your neck?
Well, there's two answers to that, Stuart, and they're both challenging at the moment, admittedly. Number one, you invest because the markets are forward-looking, because these companies are going to create things that make our world better, and profits will follow. Two, if you really want to beat inflation, you want to get ahead of all the other nastiness that is around us and a short-term noise, investing is the path forward. And it's been that way for thousands of years of market history. So history is very clearly the bellwether here. It's the short-term stuff that's problematic.
Okay, can we put up big tech as it's doing right now, pre-market? There you have it. Everything's down again. I'm looking at Microsoft way below $300 a share. Google's down, Meta up a tiny fraction. Amazon's down, Apple's down. This is the continuing dip in big tech, and it's really extreme now. Would you buy it now?
It is very extreme right now. Now, I've already got a comfortable amount of holdings, but I'm a bargain hunter. So if these things continue to drop, this is like going to a 50% off sale. That's the path forward. You buy low, you sell high. That's how the game works. You'd be amazed at how many people say they're going to do that, but then chicken out when the moment comes. So to me, this is a natural, this is a sign the markets are working the way they should be. It's hard to accept. It's hard to stomach. It's scary. I get all that. But it does not change the upward bias that the market has over time, and that's exactly why you want to buy in.
So you firmly believe that we'll be higher, moving higher, by the second half of the year? 5,000 on the S&P?
That's a different question. The timing is something we're still working on. I don't have a crystal ball in that regard. I think it depends on three specific scenarios. Does the Fed gain that control over the inflation narrative? Does Putin say, hey, you know what, this was just all an exercise? And then finally, does growth continue, and does oil, in fact, President Biden reverses energy policies? Any one of those things is going to set off a rip-your-face-off rally. So you've got to be in to win, because that contingency is still on the table.
Well, in the immediate future, I have to tell you, Keith, I'm not doing anything. If I've got any spare money, it doesn't go in, and I'm not taking anything out that's already there. Hands off right now. Hands off. You too?
No need to catch falling knives here. The other thing that history shows very clearly, Stuart, is that there is no rush in this business. These great companies are going to be there, and that's what you want to concentrate on. Take a deep breath, step back, relax, let this stuff work itself out.
Keith Fitz, lowering the anxiety level as usual. Thank you very much, Keith. See you again soon. The opening bell is...
Hi, it's Keith here. Thanks for checking out today's highlight clip. What'd you think? Did I make sense? Is there something you'd like to add? Make sure you leave a comment down below, and of course, click subscribe to keep up right here on YouTube, or sign up for the email newsletter at the link below. You can also find me on Twitter and Instagram for my real-time thoughts on markets, analysis, and a whole lot more.